Miss Lewis, I found an option that may be helpful to making a vocabulary a little bit easier. I don't know if you want to do it, so I just wanted to show you what I did. So I just went to Google Forms and I made a blank quiz and I titled it vocabulary and used the snipping tool to cut out the part of the worksheet that had the vocabulary terms. So I put that in Word box above there. Then I went and I just continued snipping the questions. There are two ways that you could have the students answer. I did check boxes, which I then put the words in to check boxes. And then the other option was to have the students choose the two words from the box to complete the sentence. I said that they could retype the entire sentence, or you could just have them do the two words. So I just wanted to show you how I did that by adding another question. So I'm going to add a question, and where it says question, I can click here to add a picture. So I'll click there. Unfortunately, I have not saved the next question, so I'm going to show you how I snipped it. So up here, I'm going to go back to the worksheet and do question number 3. So everyone should have a snip tool. I just search it on my bar. I'm going to click new. Then I'm going to start where it says 3. And I'm just going to snip that question. File, save as, and I'm going to save it as Lewis 4 and minimize that screen. Then I'll go back to the quiz, choose image to upload, click on Lewis 4, and the question is, the question is added. I think. Make sure I'm in the right place. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong one. So, Lewis 4, upload it. Okay, so now I'm in the right one. So after I add the picture, I can select whichever I'd like to use. I can say paragraph, that's for the longer answer. And just gonna go back up here and copy what I wrote on the last question and put it there and make it a required question. Then to add a new one, I'll click add. I'm going to show you just how to do the text boxes in case you're interested in doing that as well. So I'm going to go back to the worksheet. I'm going to pull back up the snipping tool. I'm going to click new to take a new picture. Then I'm going to go down to 4, file, save as, and I'm going to save it as Lewis 5. So it's saved, minimize my screen, go back to the document or the Google form. And where I put a new question, I am going to click on the image picture, choose the image to upload, click on Lewis 5. It has added Lewis 5. Now, because the reason why I did check boxes is because there's more than one answer. So I can click on check boxes and add all the words if I want, or if you just want to put 4 of the words, you could do that. Whatever you wanted to do. I don't know if this is easy. I just couldn't find a way to actually allow the students to put the words on the document with the text box. So I don't exactly know how to do that. So this may require a little bit more work. I will continue to see if I can think of any other way to get that done.